Hey guys, T-Master.
What's up, everybody? T-Master
Oh my
106
God.
here.
And today I am with Alvin, or the pro.
No, you don't mention my name.
No, you have been exposed. Exposed. You've been exposed. Get exposed.
No, please, Matthew. Fine. Leave it
You're
there.
exposed,
Leave it.
child. Okay. So today
Okay.
we're doing another themed 1v1, and today it's gonna be
Chinese New Year.
Oh my God, stop this. So today it's gonna be nature and like animals and stuff versus electricity and technology. I know we did this already, like future and nature, but whatever.
Yeah, I remember, and you kicked my butt.
Okay, we're not creative, and I don't have a script, so yeah, let's do this.
You kicked my butt. Okay,
Come on,
this is
man.
unfair.
Let's go. Hey man, let's go.
You tell them that you might not be able to hear me.
No,
if you can hear me.
I see it in the settings. It says,
Oh, hello.
it
You
says
can hear
that-
me.
For once. Okay. Hey man. Wait, no, let me.
You can't hear me in the other
Let me change
videos,
Kunai.
and then Matthew answers to a random voice. That's me.
Yeah, I'm sorry for my horrible audio. Wait, let me first.
But you changed this software.
Purple. Oh yeah, if you guys noticed.
Oh
in
yeah,
the other
Matthew,
video,
are
I changed
you
the
allowed to
software.
edit vids? Oh look,
Yeah.
they have the stands on the bottom now.
Yeah, it was always like that.
Cool.
No, it was
I
like,
never see.
It was like that recently.
I'm blind.
Oh my God. Hey man, that's not very nice.
Go fast pace. Tap on him.
No, stop this. Stop this, man.
Tap on him. Pasota.
Dang, I'm just.
Damn it. Whoa.
You're stupid. You're stupid.
Alright, can I reset the video?
You're stupid. No, we can do another round. We can do a ton of rounds.
Ah!
Fine. We just do another round then. I didn't do
Dang
longer than
it.
10 minutes, so.
Edit this out. I'm kidding.
Hell no.
Alright, leave this be. Because I'm very dumb at surviving for some reason.
It doesn't really matter. Okay. Questionable GG. I'm gonna level up Ragnar actually. Wait, give me a second. Ragnar, and then Quana, and then my last resort.
No.
That sounded really creepy. I swear, if my audio doesn't pick up and your audio does, I'm gonna be so salty. Oh, like if my audio is really quiet.
What's up, guys? It's the new G-Master 106 here.
No.
It's the better one.
Wait, is that a challenge?
No, it's the better one. That's it.
It's
Not a challenge. It's already true, Matthew. Next time, I'm just gonna change my username to T-Master 106.
Fire. Yo, spit fire, man. Oh.
Yeah, I get electricity.
This is so nature, you know, just fire. None of the auto rotations have anything good. Cute. No, I want to spit my fire. Let me spit this fire.
No!
Fire spit. Boy.
Bad fire for
No.
you, buddy.
Hey, that's racist. Just because I'm a dragon doesn't mean I have bad fire. Okay?
No one else spits fire! Look!
I spin the bars. So let me spit my bars.
But Mom!
But mom. Spit that fire.
Spit that electricity.
You don't spit it. It just comes out of your hands or something. So I know
Don't worry, it's powered. It's powered by
There
my.
are already so
my
many
super
electric
power.
heroes. We should just have like a guitar themed 1v1. Hey man.
No! I was just pretending to be AFK and you killed me. I'm alive.
Or are you?
No, I'm alive. Look, I'm Val.
Lies, you hacker. Stop hacking. No, I don't want to get one punch. No!
Oh.
I just got drop kicked. Even let's go. Oh God, the incense. I smell it. Oh God.
What's an incense?
Chinese New Year. You know that stuff that they like.
Oh, that's. Oh yeah, they
That-
light
that
candles and stuff. Does it smell bad?
Hey me.
Wait, why you light it up this early?
Cause they're like putting things at.
Just let me hit you, Matthew.
No, cause they're doing things at the offering shrine and stuff. You know. At like the thing in my house. Remember?
So early.
Remember that? it's a day. No, they put out like chicken and duck and stuff.
I know.
Oh my god, hacker.
It's called the spam situation.
Hey man, that's not very nice. I don't like it when you spam.
Let me jump over you. Jump over.
Nothing.
You better not poke.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna poke battles. Oh, dang it. Stop hacking.
No, I'm gonna poke you.
I don't like it when you hack.
Stop being an eagle.
Stop
Stop being an eagle, even though you're
That's
nature.
not an eagle, that's a snake thingy.
No, that isn't. The snake thingy is with the spear.
Dude, it's both. No, seriously, like, but look at the top of its head. Watch.
Look at the top of his
It's a
head.
snake. Look at the top of his
No,
head.
it's an eagle.
It's a snake. Oh my god, you're so stupid. Watch this.
Don't call me stupid, cause I'm the new team master. What?
Dude, that ended right as you threw it.
It's called Matrix. Boom.
That's copyright, man.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, you can't.
I am
mention
the
other
Matrix.
names. Oh, stop! Hey, man, stop poking me.
Whoa!
Oh, the combo. Hashtag two combo. Two combo. We need to have all. I should get the all legend pack so that then we can do all the things one view. Stop being Ian. Stop just sidelight.
No, but then, like it's a fake combo. Like you have to fake combo and then they think that you're doing a.
Yeah.
No!
You
Tech
get
always
Shrek,
loses.
boy.
This is so unfair. Tech always loses.
I know, right? No, it's just 'cause I'm better. Ha!
That means Team Master sucks then, because I'm the new Team Master.
The old team master is
No, let Jackie in.
Oh yeah,
Alright.
okay.
Yeah, new member.
Yeah.
In the mid videos.
Okay, so
Welcome.
this is like a theme free for all now. Who wants to be nature? 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 I'm nature. Oh yeah, there could be 3 categories. What could Jackie be? Oh, he could be the spammer category.
You could be, yeah. That's the best category. What?
No.
No.
Okay. Oh hey. Okay. Hello. Okay, let's go.
Join when done.
Okay. Well, I mean, like,
Hey.
there's a couple minutes. It's only been like 7 minutes. Dude, come on. Okay.
Wait, how long can this go for?
Infinite.
Really?
It just takes up a lot of space. Yeah. If you go for very long, it takes up space.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, what is this? What?
Get ready, boy.
I can't play with Skype! Then you always say it again!
You're getting wrecked. You're getting wrecked. Oh, no, I'm getting wrecked. Get that fine. Dang it, you can't sit fine. You must start saying. Boy, stop being bad. Please, for this one game.
No, let me Russian mommy at you.
No, you're not gonna Russian mafia me. You suck at that.
I said Russian mommy at.
You can't Russian mommy me either. That's the same thing, man.
No, it isn't. It's better. Cause you have a mommy.
Get that fire.
Aha! No!
No! Hey man, that's not very nice.
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure it's really nice. Oh god!
No.
Hello!
Hello.
No! Senor! Bye. I'll have to copyright
I'm
music.
lagging. I'm lagging.
Matthew,
Help, I'm lagging.
Matthew, just copyright.
I don't hear it.
But when you...
Oh my god. I should
What?
not spot dodge.
What, huh? Get over here. You have guitars too. Oh, you should have pulled a shadow.
Pull the shadow.
Do they know the terminology for that?
Nope,
Or not?
obviously they don't know who shadow is.
Alright.
I'm getting wrecked.
I'm not. I mean,
I
oh,
said
no, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Dude, what the heck do you mean? You have like stock up on me and I'm already in yellow.
hitbox!
The hitboxes are unreal. Oh crap. No, I don't like this. Stop this. Oh! Oh my god, stop spamming!
What? You're the one who said.
Hey man, I didn't do anything, okay? I'm innocent. Sentinel's too good, stop this.
No, he isn't.
Dude, you're passive, okay? Stop being passive.
What? You're the one who won.
I'm lagging. Oh my god, dude, stop teleporting. Oh wait, never mind.
What do you mean teleporting? I just died.
Yes, I noticed. That's why I said you stop teleporting. Because you did.
No.
Oh my god, my
The
ground
bait.
pound is not working today. What the heck? Oh, what? Oh, dang it. Aw. Hey man, that's not really nice. just throwing
Weapon
weapons.
starve.
Nah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god, can you stop? Like,
Stop getting good.
screw off. Okay? Yeah, see, I hate you when you're like this. Whenever you're winning, you always get so cocky. What the hell?
Fine, I'll stop being cocky. By
Sure you
losing.
will, you piece of crap.
Now you're being salty. I hate it when you're like this, Matthew.
Screw off.
See?
Damn, you're just mimicking everything I'm saying. What do you mean? See.
What? I don't get your hitboxes, Matthew.
That's why you gotta learn them by playing something called training mode.
What's that? Just kidding.
Web. Oh, the intensity. Oh crap, no. No. Oh, the hitbox. Ooh.
See? Who's passive now, Matthew?
Hashtag stalling to get you to engage.
No! Stop!
Stop.
Oh.
Oh crap, I was not ready for that. Hey man, I'm
Cause
out.
Oh no. No! Oh my god. Fast face mode!
What do you mean fast?
No!
What just happened?
I went fast face mode.
No, but how'd you die? Oh my god.
No! That is impossible! The dramatic anime voice thing.
That is impossible.
How could he defeat my gun?
How can you defeat bow versus guns? Okay.
Yeah, that's worth it.
Electricity versus nature. Nature is currently winning. Oh crap. Ah. Stop pulling at Ian.
You mean a McIan? I mean a McLovin?
No. Oh my god.
I think I'm better unarmed as Ada.
What do you mean all unarmed the same? It's just the stats that change it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, come on, if I did a side thing, then you'd be dead. And you're dead.
Dang it! So close!
Good game, good games.
So close.
Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you
No,
for watching.
bye-bye, bye-bye.
And obviously,
Thank you for
nature
watching
is
Team Master
superior
2.0.
to electricity once again. And see you guys next time.
I improved. I improved, right?
No, you're not Groot. Stop this.